Assalamu Alaikum, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making a delicious chicken korma, one of Pakistan's most loved dishes.
For instance, let's quickly go through the ingredients we need.
We'll need chicken, onions, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, almonds or cashews, whole spices, powdered spices, cream, and fresh coriander.
We'll start by thinly slicing 2 medium onions for making delicious korma. Now, fry the onions until golden brown. This gives our korma its base flavor. Remove half of the onions and set aside for garnish. Next, add whole spices to release their aroma. Now add the chicken pieces and fry until they turn light golden.
Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and mix well.
This step seals in the flavor of the chicken. Mix until the chicken is fully coated in the spices. Lower the flame and add yogurt gradually, stirring continuously. Now add the nut paste to give our korma richness and body. Add water or stock to adjust the gravy consistency. Cover the pan and let it cook on low heat for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the chicken is tender and the aroma is wonderful. To make it extra creamy, add a little cream. Finally, add a pinch of garam masala for fragrance. Our delicious chicken korma is ready to serve. At the end, garnish it with coriander and fried onions. Enjoy this chicken korma with naan, paratha or rice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Khuda Hafiz.